can graph inequalities in our graphing calculator as well. First of all, in order to put it into our graphing calculator, we have to rearrange this to y equals mx plus b. So to start off with, we'll move the 2x over and the 11 over. And then you're going to have to divide by negative 3. When you divide everything by negative 3, you're going to have to flip the sign. So now if we go to our graphing calculator, we can type in this line. And so what do we have? 2 divided by 3x plus 11 over 3. Did I make any mistakes? Just check my line. Nope. So now I can graph that line. And then over here, one way to draw the shading part is you can change what type of line you're going to put in. And you can do that by pushing enter on here. Okay? So on here, I'm going to go through my lines. That one is shaded above, shade below, little line on it, little circle, dotted line. Okay? So if I want to, in this case, here I would want to shade below. I could change it to that and hit graph. Okay. Hit graph and it shades below. Oh, I don't have it on here. Now, some of you in your graphing calculator, if you go to the apps button, see if your calculator has the program called inequalities. Yep. Here, I'll show you on a different calculator what this looks like. So on your graphing calculator,
Sorry, I just have a quick question. It just doesn't show up here. Should come after? Or no?
should. I'll come check it out in a bit. Okay. So hit the apps button. I want to see how many people have this program called Inequals on theirs. If you have that one, it actually allows you to change the sign. Okay? So if you go to your apps button, and you have this program, what it'll allow you to do is by pushing one of these buttons, I can hit this one right here. Oops, I can quit. And 2 divided by 3, x plus 11 divided by 3. And I think you have to push the alpha button, and then it will change and add the dotted line. So I change it to a less than sign. So if I hit graph here, it'll draw a dotted line and shade below. So we can graph these on our graphing calculators as well. And you can do 6, 8, and 13. We will do 13 together if we have time at the end of class.